everybody, it's Gail from thehappystamper.com. I've got a quick and easy Valentine's Day card for you today that you're just going to love. Let me just tell you, big hugs from me to you just from the get-go here. Okay, so I am using the From My Heart suite, which is in our new mini catalog. The papers are spectacular. This is the information. The product code, product number is right down here too if you're interested, but it's From the Heart suite, and it's a whole suite of products that are just amazing. So let me share with you one of the cards we're making actually for my upcoming class this week. It's this, isn't it so cute? And can you see the foil? Oh my gosh, it's just beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. And it is super easy, but it looks like it's, you know, took lots of time. It doesn't. I can show you how. All right, so you're going to need your real red ink pad, a stamping block. Let me grab my stamp set here. You're going to need the heartfelt stamp set. This is what comes in the suite. It also comes with the matching punch bundle. I don't want to get light reflection, but it's a scalloped and then a regular heart punch, which is amazing. I love punches. All right, so I'm going to be using the stamp that says Love You Lot. You can see I have been playing with this like crazy, and it is adorable. Everything that I'm using you can find over on the happystamper.com website, which will take you, you'll see a link that says Shop Now, and that will take you, or Shop 24/7, that will take you over to my 24-hour shopping. We've got an 8.5 by 11 sheet of cardstock. This is cut at 5.5, and then we simply fold it in half. And that's what is known as an A2 size envelope. I've got a piece of our designer series paper. This is cut at 4 by 5 1/4. So I'm just going to go ahead and adhere that right now. And if you can hear in the background, I'm listening to the new Frozen CD, the Frozen 2 CD. Oh my gosh, it is so good. And it was so hard to find. I had a terrible time trying to find it. Okay, so let's set this aside. I've gone ahead and made my little bow too. We're going to punch out. This is a sheet of 12 by 12 cardstock that comes in the pack, and it's just all these hearts. So I'm going to punch out this pretty pink. Hold on, sorry, I gotta turn it towards me to see what I'm doing, like so. So it makes perfect hearts with zero effort, zero. So I have that. I'm going to then punch out, again, another piece of designer series paper from the same pack. Foil. Ooh, it's so pretty. I'm going to punch that out as well. And hopefully, because I cut a little piece, I can center it properly. But if that doesn't work, you know what else does? Get a little piece of sticky notepad. This is the tear off stuff. And I'm going to adhere this to the top. So if you have a piece like I did that I just cut, you know, kind of small, if you put it on this, then you can insert it and make it fit perfectly. Easy peasy. And I'm going to punch that heart out. And this is going to get adhered to the front of that. And I'm going to use some little pop dots here. And you just need a few. Anyways, the Frozen 2, I don't know if you guys saw the movie, but I loved it. I actually liked it better than the first one. And so my Christmas gift was a Frozen bracelet, Pandora bracelet. I love it. And the little Olaf, his little body moves. Okay, that's a whole nother adventure. But the CD, if you can find it, get it, because it is fantastic. Okay, so I've also got a small piece of cardstock that I'm going to adhere this to my heart to. I'm going to use my Real Red ink pad, and I'm going to stamp "Love You Lots" over here to the side. And I'm going to leave some space at the bottom because I'm going to be adding a ribbon. And boy, is the ribbon beautiful. This is our red stitched ribbon. And I'm going to turn this over, and I'm going to put some adhesive on the back just to kind of catch it. I'm just going to put some adhesive on that and bring this cute little heart on there. I've gone ahead and I have made a little bow with the same red ribbon. Using some glue dots, I'm just going to adhere this to the front. Like so. And I think I'm going to adhere, where is it? I'm going to adhere this under my ribbon just to keep it in place. Like so. Easy peasy. And then this simply is going to get adhered to the front of my card. Now I got this idea from my friend Paula Kay. She is in the Stampaholic group that I'm a part of. And thank you so much for sharing this idea, Paula. I love it. And that's it, you guys. It's that simple. Oh, cuteness. Don't you love it when cuteness just all comes together and it's really quick and easy? I do. All right, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and it gives you some ideas. You will love the From the Heart bundle stamp set, I promise. Take a look at it either online via thehappystamper.com, and on the left-hand corner of my blog, you'll see a button that says Shop Stampin' Up! 24/7. You can shop there. I will also have links down below where it says Show More beneath this video. You can click that and it will open a window that has link to my blog, to my online store, all that kind of goodness. So yeah, you guys, get in the mood for Valentine's Day. I am all ready. All right, thanks so much for visiting with the Happy Stamper today. Please make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're new here. Also, welcome. And hit the bell notification. That way you can stay up to date when I post new videos. So yeah, I hope you guys have a great Sunday, and I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.